How to find ad blocking settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ad blocking settings on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this icon here on the top corner. Click on it and then click this one, settings icon, and now just go down and you will find this one, ad blocking. Click on it and this is ad blocking settings on Opera Mini, and that's how to find ad blocking settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.